Okay, my partner in crime in the salon, Nicole, and I are talking curls. We're gonna have a little fun and help show you how to do this in the back. This quick tip really makes a big difference because the back is really hard for most people to do themselves. So what we've noticed is if you clip out all of the top and you just leave the back in a small section about maybe 5 or 8 inches wide, split it in half so you have the right and the left side. We have our iron heating up right here. Nicole's gonna grab the iron and then she's gonna wrap one left half in the back and then the right half. Here's the beauty when you do this at home. You don't have to work really hard because the hair from root to mid shaft you won't see. You're really only seeing mid shaft to ends. The beauty about this is we love Curl Bar. We have it here at the salon and we think it's foolproof to use at home because the right angle is in the handle. Now, Nicole's gonna drop the mid section, which again is wide, and she's just gonna split it in 3 subsections. So the sections are going across horizontally from here, and we're just gonna split the head in 3 parts. We have pre-dried the hair and we've prepped it a bit with some volume mousse and some volume active at the root. Granted, Nicole's a hairstylist, but really, we teach all of our clients how to do this at home. If you have big sections like this, make sure that the iron is as warm as it can go. This one's at 430 because the sections are really wide. And she kind of pulls it forward to get it around the iron. She holds it a little bit and she doesn't wrap the ends because you're just looking for a little S curl, right? Try this at home and let us know how it goes for you.